Oh, I can see between trees.
Yeah, I can see it too.
I love night lights. It's so pretty. Here he goes.
So the Earth's rotating that way. They think they're going up, but you know.
Oh crap, that's Tiffany's door.
Tiffany trying to get out. That's his cone. Door's closed.
Well, and that's him on the other side.
He ran into it.
Oh, it's Kia.
Kia?
Kia's on the outside.
Yeah, so it's good.
I don't know, maybe something fell down.
Changing colors.
You know, I pulled over to the side of the road. Did you see that?
Well, they were lined up down Conway, Gatling.
There goes booster separation,
Oh,
Yep.
yeah, you're right.
I think.
Yeah, there's
Yep. There they
You
go.
can see one dropping, yeah. Oh, they're both dropping?
Yep.
No, you can't. Now they're gone. I can barely see those things. They're dropping. Yeah, they're dropping. Oh, I want those things on my car. The what?
So what day is today? December what? 2006?
2009.